I'm coming at you today with another healthy anti-inflammatory recipe. Today we're going to use zucchini, and this is a delicious side for any lunch or dinner, and I can't wait to share it with you because all of the flavors mesh so well together. It's anti-inflammatory, gluten and dairy free, but I promise you it's simple, quick, and delicious.
I love to show you that cooking healthy doesn't have to be an all or nothing attempt. It's all in the baby steps. Every day, feed your body something that it can use to help keep you healthy. All of my recipes promote an anti-inflammatory diet, meaning I don't use any ingredients that are going to add to chronic inflammation in my body. I'm trying to lower it. And it's possible to do that through your food choices. It boils down to knowing your ingredients, knowing what's in your food, making recipes that are going to be anti-inflammatory and delicious. Eating an anti-inflammatory diet can be delicious, quick, and simple. And I'm on a mission to show you just that. Now go make this recipe. I promise you it won't disappoint. And be sure to like and follow my account for more healthy eating and cooking tips.